What's up guys, it's Mchanga back with another video. Today we're going to unbox and take a detailed look at a Bluetooth mechanical keyboard that just might replace my favorite retro mechanical keyboard. This is the iQunix F96 Joker. It has nice packaging and the box is surprisingly heavy, so that's actually promising because I'm expecting a nice, stable keyboard base. In the box, you get some replacement keycaps that are green with playing card logos, along with the plain white spacebar, a good length USB-C cable for a wired connection, a USB adapter just in case you need that, and of course the keycap puller so you can customize it if you like. I think it's great that the keyboard is packaged well under a couple layers of plastic, but let's get that stuff out of the way. The included user manual is really straightforward and detailed, and you'll definitely want to take a look at it before you toss it to the side, especially if you plan to use the RGB backlighting. I know I already mentioned the weight of the box, but the keyboard itself is over 1,000 grams. That's not light, but this thing is aluminum alloy and it feels super premium. I don't plan to use it for any type of travel, so I'm happy with the heft. Something unique about this one and why I chose it over some of the other color options is the Joker color scheme. I really love the design elements. Now, this isn't going to win any contest in the thinness category, but this is a keyboard built for long-term desktop use. And ultimately, that's what I plan to use it for. Something even the latest wireless mechanical keyboards lack is USB-C connectivity. We don't have that problem here with the F96, luckily. The little switch on the bottom lets you switch between Bluetooth and the wired connection. You have screws on each side that make it easy to disassemble the keyboard if you want or need to. The keys feel really solid and don't have any annoying wobble when typing, and that's really expected at this price point. I'll leave links in the video description below that include more details and updated pricing if you want to check it out for yourself. If you've ever used a keycap puller, then it'll be simple to swap out the keycaps. I opted for Cherry MX Blue switches because they're clicky and that's just my favorite type, but there are a few different switch options to choose from on the website. We completely ripped the original spacebar off while removing it, but anyway, it is a nice Joker keycap, but I didn't like the red writing that much, so I decided to just replace it with the plain white one that came in the box. Typing on the F96 Joker is a joy if you love that tactile feel and sound of a nice mechanical keyboard. It just wouldn't be right if I didn't let you hear a small typing sample, so I'll go ahead and be quiet for a moment. Of course, you get great key travel and a great response time. We also have a LED light that turns different colors depending on the status of the battery and what device you're connected to. If you've seen any of my other keyboard videos, then you already know that my current favorite mechanical keyboard has no backlighting at all. So I'm loving the RGB LEDs on the F96. If you don't care about the backlight, you can order any of the iQunix models without it. I've probably spent majority of my time with this keyboard just messing around with the different RGB options because there are so many colors and effects to choose from. You don't get any fancy software to make adjustments to the backlighting, but I didn't find that to be a problem. And of course, the typing experience is perfectly fine without lighting effects of any kind, but it's just more fun, especially working at my desk in the late hours of the night with my office lights turned off. If you're a gamer, you can even set an option that illuminates the main keys used while gaming. The intensity of the backlighting can be adjusted, but I just prefer to leave it on whatever is the brightest. If I'm in the mood for something a bit more subtle, I can set it to the option where only the keys I press will light up. It's simple, it's clean, plus you can save some battery life by just using the less extravagant RGB modes. I could probably spend the rest of the video just talking about and playing around with the lighting, but there's more to this keyboard than that. The F96 Joker is a really high quality mechanical keyboard that could replace my retro typewriter style keyboard. The purple, white, and green might not seem like a versatile color scheme, but I have to admit it looks great on each surface we've used it on. I have quite a few different desktops in the office and it never looked out of place on any of them. I typically work with the lights turned all the way down or completely off, but I wanted to see if the backlighting would be as effective with the lights turned on, and it still looks great. I probably have a slightly growing obsession with keyboards, so I can really go on, but I really appreciate iQunix for sending this one out because I'm always on the lookout for an attractive and great sounding mechanical keyboard that has the potential to compete with my longtime favorite. As both a student and working professional, I spend a lot of time at my desk in front of a computer screen, so having a keyboard that not only gets the job done but does it well and looks good doing it makes the long hours much more tolerable. The 6-degree angle ensures I don't experience any wrist fatigue, so it's honestly hard for me to find anything to complain about except for the price. At over $200, this isn't a budget keyboard and it's more aimed towards the enthusiast market, but if you have the cash and you want to invest in a premium, customizable 96 key wireless keyboard that's compatible with Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, then this should be high on your list. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I would love to hear about some of your favorite keyboards, so jump down in the comments section. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and be sure to tap the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.